involving former presidential spokesperson Attorney Harry Roque, who was sighted in Tawi-Tawi at around 9:30 a.m. on September 2. And it was verified and confirmed that he was not sighted within the town of Bongao after the initial sighting in the airport on September 2, that eventually on September 4, 2024, Attorney Roque arrived in the United Arab Emirates as confirmed by the Philippine ambassador to the UAE. Since Mr. Roque has no recorded departure in the BI's records, he likely took the same route as Alice Go in leaving the country by using a backdoor exit in Tawi-Tawi. Next slide, please. The BI continues to communicate with the intelligence community, particularly the National Intelligence Coordinating Agency, to determine the escape route of Alice Go. Next slide, please. In conclusion, any powerful individual backed by the POGOs or have access to funding and resources, such as the POGOs, can easily sneak out of our borders and enter other neighboring countries. The POGOs have numerous unofficial ports of exit to choose from in order to whisk away or hide their bosses or their criminal accomplices. This is why it has proven rather difficult for us to pinpoint the exact sea or airport that the POGOs used to allow Alice Go or even Attorney Roque to escape from. But rest assured, Madam Chair and Honorable Senator Gatchalian, we will not stop. Although the odds are stacked against us, we will keep on trying to find how the POGOs were able to hide these undesirable aliens. Lastly, please allow me to address the elephant in the room, Your Honors. So many people wish to hear that the POGOs paid an immigration officer in one of the air or seaports so that these bad people can escape our shores. But there is simply no proof or evidence to that effect. We have been begging any witnesses from any official airport or seaport to come forward for 4 months now to give proof on anything related particularly to Alice Go and her siblings.